Hello judges and audience, we are from PENS Indonesia and we are URANG team. We believe that we could share happiness through technology. This is our members, Rama as designer, Intan as accountant, Jawad as communicator and scheduler, Faza as journalist, and Marvel as mapper. Also, this is our team role in making this project. And high appreciation to our mentor, Mr. Agus Indra Gunawan, in assisting our project. Ladies and gentlemen, did you know Indonesia's ranked 4th in shrimp export worldwide? Also, Indonesian government fully supports shrimp production in national scale and targeted to increase its production up to 250% to be the largest shrimp exporter in the world within 5 years. In this project, we take this issue, water quality monitoring for shrimp cultivating pond from Andini Sakti. As we finding the problem by interviewed the owners and did some research, we found out following problems. First, they still use conventional monitoring systems such as litmus paper and other analog devices. Second, pond parameters data is still written manually on paper. Also, this method takes a long time. Third, manipulation of measurement data often occurs. For example, workers do not take measurement in the pond, but they fake the result. Fourth, the employees still lack about the quality of pond water that is good for shrimp farming. With those following problems, we create a device to solve it. Let us introduce you to Grago. Grago is a device that monitors water quality in shrimp pond. Using web and mobile app, Grago helps pond owners to monitor water quality and determine decision based on water condition. What does Grago do? First, monitoring of water quality parameters including pH, dissolved oxygen, temperature, and electrical conductivity. Second, records data and send it automatically using app and web to record data time by time in cloud server. Third, give information about water condition using fuzzy logic. It will decide whether if the record data is very bad, moderate, or good. And how Grago works? First, dip Grago sensor into water. Wait about a couple of seconds. Acquire data sent to cloud server to Google Sheet. And lastly, the record data displayed in the web app every 1 or 2 seconds. This is Grago's hardware specification. And this is Grago's app interface and web requirement. This is Grago's production process. There are 2 processes, hardware production and software production. The detailed process will be shown soon. After those 2 finish, we integrate it and test it. Finally, we do some finishing. Next, I would like to show you the detailed production process. This is the PCB design, and this is the PCB result. And this is the 3D case design. And then we assemble the hardware into the case. And this is the programming of hardware and sensors. And this is the user manual interface. First, device connected to the Wi-Fi. Second, there are calibration and result menu. The result menu is where we could see the water quality measured, but before we measure the water, we need to calibrate it first. This is the dissolved oxygen calibration menu. And this is the electrical conductivity calibration menu. And lastly, the pH calibration menu. This is the integration from sending the data to the Google Sheet and then continue to pass the data to the app and web. This is Grago's benefit. First, real-time water quality parameters measuring by user. Second, measured data can be accessed anytime and anywhere through web and app. Third, minimizing errors and fraud by worker. Fourth, shorten the time of reporting data to pond owners. And lastly, worker can give treatment to the pond depends on giving information. Now, if we compare the manual way and Grago, we could see that Grago solved each problem in the manual way. This is Grago's production timeline. This is competitor comparison. As we could see, Grago has advantage in the price. Grago has better price about 20 million rupiah as to our competitor price about 28 million rupiah. These are Grago's future development. Production marketing and mass production. Second, decision support system. And third, early warning system. Also, we would like to give high appreciation to Andini Sakti that collaborate with us to implement this project. We are URANG team. Thank you very much.